My name's Caroline Taylor. I'm one of the attorneys at Whitfield, Bryson Mason, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about if you or a loved one has been in a wreck that involved a truck, a big, some type of larger semi or larger commercial vehicle. A lot of times in these cases, there's a lot more at stake because when you're talking about a larger commercial vehicle, typically the insurance policies are going to be higher or there's going to be more potential recovery available. There's more potential recovery available because when you're dealing with a commercial company, typically the insurance policies are larger than if you're just dealing with your average person, that buys insurance for their own vehicle, that's a compact car. So because there is more at stake, then obviously the trucking company or the commercial type company is going to be much more willing to fight you, and they're going to be much more protective of the policy that's at stake. Luckily, here at our firm, we have the resources to fight those larger companies, and we can truly even the playing field. We have the resources to be able to get the experts and the network of experts that we need to be able to protect you and to be able to move forward in your case. One of the things that you should consider when you're dealing with a truck accident case is preferably getting to an attorney as quickly as you can. Obviously, evidence tends to disappear. There are usually video cameras on these trucks. They have a lot of times what laypersons call black boxes that are going to have information about the speed of the truck, how, when they hit their brakes, things like that. So the quicker that you can get to an attorney and that attorney can get involved and they can potentially send out letters and things like that so that they can have the trucking company preserve this type of evidence, that's going to be much, much, much more helpful for you down the road, because obviously all of this evidence is going to be very helpful in your case and in pursuing your recovery to try to absolutely maximize everything that you could potentially recover. So if you or a loved one has been injured in a wreck that involved some type of truck or trucking accident, please feel free to give us a call. We're happy to give you a free consultation and talk through your options with you, even if it's been a little bit longer and there's some time in between, when the wreck actually occurred and now. Please feel free to give us a call and we can tell you your options. Our number is 615-921-6500.